Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wear mint green. To begin, consider pairing mint green with classic neutrals like crisp white, soft beige, or elegant gray. These combinations create a balanced and sophisticated look. If you're new to this color, start small with a single accessory. Lighter shades of mint green are often more versatile and easier to incorporate into your existing wardrobe, offering a gentle pop of color. Once you're comfortable with neutrals, explore complementary colors. Pastels such as lavender, pale yellow, or light peach can create a harmonious and fresh aesthetic. For a more relaxed vibe, denim is an excellent partner, offering a cool contrast. Don't forget to play with textures. A silky mint green top or a linen blend can add wonderful dimension to your ensemble. Accessories are a fantastic way to incorporate mint green. A pair of mint green shoes or a chic handbag can instantly elevate a simple outfit, adding a vibrant pop of color. For a more understated approach, try a delicate mint green scarf or some subtle jewelry. If you're wearing a prominent mint green garment, remember to balance it with neutral accessories to keep the look refined. Mint green is incredibly versatile for various occasions. For casual daytime outings, a mint green summer dress or a light top is perfect. When attending formal events, consider a stunning mint green gown or a tailored suit for a sophisticated statement. As seasons change, layer mint green with darker shades like navy or charcoal for a chic and unexpected autumn or winter look.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.